Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over a very simple way to learn how to properly use your squeegee before you start any paint protection film installation. Whether you're an advanced installer who's still having issues leaving moisture behind, or whether you're a beginner getting into doing paint protection film and you want to just figure out how to properly use your squeegee, find a Tesla, something that has a flat hood or a flat surface. It could be any vehicle for that matter. And one thing I like to do, just take some slip solution, spray the whole hood down, very simple. Take your squeegee, get it wet, and just pretend like there's already PPF on the hood and that you're going to start squeegeeing it out. So in this situation with this Tesla, we're going to go right here to the back. We're going to come down. We're going to squeegee out the middle. So you can tell right there I did not use even pressure because you can see all the streaks that are left behind. So if there's PPF underneath here that we were squeegeeing, that would all be areas of moisture that would be being left behind. So instead you want to come back with even pressure, just like so. Come back over here, do your first squeegee stroke, and then after that you just want to practice overlapping your squeegee strokes with your angle squeegee so all the solution comes downwards, just like this. And you can see if you're leaving moisture behind by just looking at the area that you've already squeegeed. I don't see any moisture being left behind, so that means I'm doing it properly. So this is just something super simple to try before you start your PPF installation, or if you're struggling with leaving moisture behind while you're doing your PPF installs, just practice squeegeeing the panel that you want to do. And don't start your install until you're comfortable in your proper squeegeeing methods and techniques. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video.